Today, I am sharing a very quick recipe. It is a beet, fennel, and orange salad. So this is fennel. If you're not familiar with it, this is what it looks like. I'm sure you've probably seen it in the supermarket and you walk right past it because you didn't know what to do with it. So we're going to make a quick and delicious salad with it. I've already washed this, and so I'm just going to trim off the end. Let's put it down here so you can see that would be helpful. Okay. So I'm just going to trim the end, and I'm going to cut it in half. Boop, put the other half here. I'm going to take the top off. And don't throw this away. You can slice this up. You can saute it and add it into any other dish that you're using. Maybe if you're cooking with lettuce and onions, not lettuce, I meant to say, what is that? Celery. Celery and onions. You can add this to it. You can juice it. You can roast it and eat it that way. But today we are going to use it raw. I'm just going to slice it very thin. And if you're not familiar with the taste of fennel, it tastes, has like a licorice taste to it. So go ahead and slice that thinly. Oops. Careful, we don't want any accidents or trips to the ER. Okay, so I have my fennel, other ingredients that I kind of prepared. This two roasted beets, two red beets. You can use golden beets if you like. I also have a blood orange that I just peeled and cut into bite-sized pieces. I have some cilantro and parsley here, and then I have a little bit of red onions. Then I mix up, I use the juice of a half of a lemon, the juice of half of a lime, a teaspoon of, now this recipe it called for blood orange vinegar. Well, I don't have blood orange vinegar, but I did have pomegranate vinegar. So I use pomegranate vinegar. And since I use the pomegranate vinegar, I am just altering the recipe slightly by adding some pomegranate seeds. But I still wanted to use the blood orange for that pop of color. Again, it's a festive time of year, and so I want all of the colors. So again, have lemon, lime, half the juice of half of a lemon, the juice of half of a lime, a teaspoon of my pomegranate vinegar, some olive oil, and now I'm going to just whisk it together. You can then season this with some salt and pepper if you like. To taste or not. And we're going to go ahead and put it together in my lovely little Pyrex serving dish. I did not have time to find the Radicchio salad, so I am using this organic baby leaf mix. Add my fennel. Cut out the center so that the fennel can be in thin strips. That's how I like it. Mm-hmm. And I don't think I'm going to use all of this fennel right now. Okay. I'm going to add my blood oranges to this mixture. And I love how all of the colors are coming together. I'm just going to take one of the beets, and the beets, I roasted it for 45 minutes at 350 degrees. I did not peel it beforehand. I just rubbed a little bit of olive oil on the skin. I pierced it with a fork, wrapped it in foil, and then I roasted it in my instant pot. You can use your oven, you can use your instant pot, but when it is completed, when it's done, it should be you should be able to take a fork and go right through it, pierce right through it. And then you're just gonna cut it up however you like. If you wanna leave them whole slices like this, I'm gonna cut it up just a bit. And this is something that you can prepare beforehand. You know, you can roast your beets the day before so that you can assemble the salad the day of. It's one less thing that you have to do. Start thinking about how you can make life just a little bit easier. Now I'm adding the cilantro and parsley. I am going to give my little dressing a little whisk again. You also want to taste it beforehand to make sure that it is seasoned the way that you like it. I'm just going to grab a spoon. I'm going to add just a little bit of sea salt. Pinch of sea salt. And a few spots of black pepper. Give it another whisk. And then I'm going to pour it all over my salad. And I'm going to add a little bit of pomegranate seeds. And that looks so gorgeous. Look at this. You have all of the leaves from the different salads. And this is, again, another place where you can play with the ingredients. If you don't like baby lettuce or you don't like radicchio, maybe you can try some baby kale or spinach or butter lettuce or red leaf lettuce. The choices are, you know, kind of infinite there. Add a little bit more parsley, and that's it. And now, again, you can eat this as is, or if you want to add a little bit more oomph to it, you can add in some cooked chickpeas, or maybe a piece of grilled fish, or grilled shrimp, or mussels, or oysters, or a piece of turkey, or a piece of duck, or some tofu or tempeh. You have options. And so I hope that you appreciate the versatility of this meal and also how quick and easy it was to assemble. So if you do have any questions about anything I've shared today, I'm just going to go to the chat real quick. You're right. I did not add the red onions. And I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Now, again, you can add as many of these or as few as you like, depending on your taste. I happen to love onions. And that also gives it another nice little crunch. So, boom. Thank you for that. Awesome. So thank you for joining us for today's presentation. I hope that you got some valuable tips. I hope that it inspires you to think about things a little bit differently this way. Remember, it's the holiday season and we want to enjoy ourselves, especially time with friends and family. And so we don't want to be stressing over food. I want you to enjoy your food, enjoy your time, and remember that this is a lifestyle. So be gentle with yourselves and have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you.